latex maintenance cartridge. Keep it flat. This replaces the little funnel and the little blue nozzle and the tube and the little box at the bottom to collect the ink. This is all self-contained now. There are 3 consumables on a 300 series printer: ink, print heads, and then this. It has everything there. It has the capping station, it has the wiping, and it has the cleaning cloth. It's all self-contained. However, when this is finished, that is, when it's done, when you take it out, careful you do not tilt it. There is ink in the bottom of this. Okay, this is now your ink reservoir also. So you don't want to tilt it and have that ink come loose. Put the cover on, tape it up, and then I use a recycling ink program to send it back. This is extremely handy. It's all now self-contained. It's just a 1-unit operation, and it resides where the maintenance cartridge always did. Just wanted to show it to you what it does, and then to warn you not to tilt it. I've already ruined one nice suit getting ink all over me. This does now contain ink when you take it out. You'll have plenty of warning that this thing is running out. You'll have lots of time to make sure you have a fresh one ready. It's designed to run, I replace mine probably about every 9 months.